Joy of joys, the Triumph Tiger Sport is finally coming to India. But hold on, this isn't the beloved Tiger 1050 Sport with that bewitching speed triple motor. It's some new Tiger 850 Sport based on the Tiger 900. So what exactly is this new bike? Well, actually it isn't really all new at all. Hello and welcome to ZigWheels Fast Forward. All you need to know about the Tiger 850 Sport, quick and simple. The Tiger 850 Sport is powered by an all-new 849cc inline triple, no. It's powered by the same 888cc T-plane inline triple that sits in the Tiger 900, except that here it produces 10 PS and 5 Nm less. Yes, output is lower, but the peak figures kick in earlier at 8500 and 6500 RPM respectively. Triumph feels that there are buyers out there who want an adventure tourer but are intimidated by the power and delivery of bikes like the Tiger 900, so it's created the Tiger 850 Sport with more manageable output figures and a friendlier power delivery that's less likely to scare away first-time big bike buyers. Unfortunately, this is about all that Triumph has done to make its Tiger more accessible and manageable. The adjustable seat still sits 810 to 830 mm off the deck, and the Tiger Sport still tips the scales at 192 kilos. Both these figures are identical to the base spec Tiger 900, which was not sold in India. Now this is because the frame, subframe, suspension, brakes and wheels are all identical between the two bikes. The only key difference in this area are the Michelin Anakee dual sport tyres on the 850. Equipment levels are almost identical between them too, with the Tiger 850 Sport getting a hand-me-down 5-inch high-contrast TFT and 2 riding modes. It misses out on heated grips, cruise control and an IMU, just like the base spec Tiger 900, though it does get all LED lighting, while the 900 has to make do with only an LED headlight and tail lamp. Now is a good time to tell you that Triumph will discontinue the base spec Tiger 900 and replace it with the new Tiger 850 Sport, since they are largely the same bike underneath. Here in India, we never got the lowest spec Tiger 900, but we will get the Tiger 850 Sport. And what this means is that buying into the Tiger brand is about to become a whole lot more feasible. At the moment, the most affordable Tiger on sale in the country is the Tiger 900 GT at a cool 13.7 lakhs. Once the 850 arrives, we expect this entry point to move down to 11.5 lakhs. If the Tiger 850 Sport does sound like your cup of tea, bikes are expected to reach dealers in India as early as Feb next year, so you better start planning soon. Personally, we wish Triumph had made a more sincere effort to create a manageable, affordable, street-focused adventure tourer with the 850 Sport. Shedding a few kilos, dropping the seat a bit and throwing in a 17-inch front wheel would have gone a long way in reducing the intimidation factor that's so strongly associated with ADVs in India. Instead, what you get is a slightly emasculated, slightly more affordable, rebranded base spec Tiger 900 with LED indicators. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe to the ZigWheels YouTube channel and let us know in the comments below what you thought. This is Zaran signing off.
24 पैंतीस
इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं बिका सर।
क्या सेल करेगा जिमी? 20 साल में कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा है। नो कस्टमर्स, नो सेल।
कार देखो गाड़ी पे होम इंस्पेक्शन बुक करो और कार बेचो ऑफिस, घर या कहीं से भी और पाओ बेस्ट प्राइस, क्विक पेमेंट, फ्री आरसी ट्रांसफर एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। आज से तुम यहाँ पे वेटर नहीं, डिलीवरी बॉय भी। अभी जाओ। कार देखो गाड़ी पे होम इंस्पेक्शन बुक करो और बेस्ट प्राइस पे कार बेचो कहीं से भी। गाड़ी फॉरवर्ड तो इंडिया फॉरवर्ड।